you see the screen, this is the program of the previous video. I am reviewing the same program again because there are many important things inside this program. In the past video I have already typed, I have already written 32 keywords, and among these 32 keywords 4 are in this program. I am marking one by one these 4 keywords: 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this program to some extent makes us enables us how to use these keywords. And the next thing is, if we see the output of this program, you see the output, the multiplication of A and B is 6, the multiplication of C and D is 5.0000000, and at the last you see capital letter A. But this output is not attractive at all. This is awkward, and so for the user wants an attractive output. So how can we make the same output? Same output means the same program which was used in the previous video, that's output. There are many ways to get an attractive output, but in this we will learn only one, and that is how to create a new line. Here in this program you see 3 printf. So output corresponding to these 3 printf, if we get these outputs in 3 separate lines, then it will look attractive. So how can we make the output corresponding to these 3 printf in 3 different lines? See, here you see this statement is complete. Okay, first statement is complete, and so to get into the new line we have to insert something at the end. So at the end I am inserting sorry okay. So how can we get 3 outputs corresponding to these 3 printf in 3 different lines? You see, the first statement is complete. I have marked the first statement in blue color, you see on the screen. At the end I type \n. This \n will lead you to next line. In the same way, you see there are 3 printf, so you have to use 2 \n. So in the second statement as well you have to insert \n. Now see, the same program, the same output, but in 3 different lines. Do you see? Yes. First line is the multiplication of A and B is 6. Second line is the multiplication of C and D is 5. Here 5 is with 6 decimal places. We can make it to 2 decimal places. For that you have to you have to keep up to two decimal places. You have to insert here between percent and f 0.2. If you want up to 3, then you have to insert 0.3. Okay. Now you can get up to two decimal places. This thing already have been explained in past video. Okay, you see this time up to two decimal places. In the third line you see only a letter A. This can also be modified. The third sentence can also be modified and can be made attractive. Here we can write here in the third printf function, we can write the first letter of alphabet is %c. %c means this percent, at the place of %c this E will come, and you see this E stands for A, capital letter A. I am again telling you about the variables. Here you see A, B, A and B are integer variables. Integer variables means these two can take only integer value 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. And you see after float you see C and D. C and D are variables, but these two can take only float variables. Float variables means decimal numbers 2.3, 1.5, etc. Here you see E. E is character variable, and this variable have been assigned character A, and you must know that any character in C program is written between two single inverted comma. So these are the important things of this program. You must keep these in mind, because in the later videos these things will be used again and again, frequently will be used. So thanks.